What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be another of my festive season happy video, and although it shouldn't be this way, I know we can't talk about Christmas without talking about gifts. So in today's video I wanted to talk about 5 ideas of Christmas gift. Yes, we all love to receive gift on Christmas. Some people do love to give gifts. I don't know, we all should love to give. We all should enjoy giving. I for one love buying gifts for people. I kind of just want to throw out the 5 gift ideas that I have. Keep in mind, to each their own, so different people will prefer different gifts, so you must know the person that you're buying for and know what they like. And what I love to do is buy people gifts that I know they'll use. I hate buying cards. I do not buy cards. If I've ever bought any card in my life, it's probably just a 1 or 2. If I'm getting card as a gift all the time, I know it's only a matter of time before I throw them away. And I feel like gift should be appreciated. And how much can you appreciate something when you're just gonna throw it away? Even if you keep a card for 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years, you're not gonna keep a card forever. Especially if you get a lot of cards, eventually you're gonna throw it away. So what I like to do, I kind of like to buy gifts that are durable, gifts that I know the person will use. So it's always nice to know who you're buying for, know the person preference, know what they like. That helps. If you don't know what the person like that you're buying for this Christmas, these ideas will help you. The first on my list, I have perfume, and I just have my favorite perfume here. It don't have to be this perfume, it can be any perfume, but I just want to say perfume is a great gift for men or women. The thing about perfume is you don't always know what the person likes. For perfume, I feel like you can just go to the store and sample women's fragrance and see if you like them, or just smell them and see if you like them if you're buying for a woman. And if you're buying for a man, you just see if you like it. It doesn't necessarily mean the person is gonna like it, but chances are they may. Nonetheless, perfume is always a great gift, whether it's for a man or a woman. Perfume is top on my list to buy, whether I know the person or not. The second on my list is a coat or a jacket. You can never go wrong with a coat or a jacket, especially if you live in cooler areas, especially if you have winters. A coat is always great. I just got a coat for my birthday. It's right here. I don't want it to wash me, so I'm not gonna pick it up, but I have it behind me. A coat is always a good idea because it comes in handy. If you experience winter, you cannot go wrong with a coat. It doesn't matter how many coats the person have. If you experience winter, a coat is always gonna be a great idea. Or a jacket. If you don't experience winter, everybody, regardless of the climate that you live in, will enjoy a nice little jacket. It could be a light, soft jacket. It could be like a blazer jacket. It could be like a denim jacket. Everybody will wear a jacket every now and then, so a jacket or a coat is always a good idea. But again, it's always nice to buy the gift that you know the person wants. So the third thing on my list, and this may not appeal to you if you live in a tropical area, but if you live in America or if you live in a state where there's winter, a glove, a scarf, and things like those are always great gifts, and they're nice stocking stuffers too. So a nice little scarf, I just have an orange one here, and you can get those for cheap. So gloves and scarves are always good if you're buying gift for someone who experience winter. You can get them a nice little throw for their couch. You can get them a nice little comforter. You can get them a nice little warm bed sheet. You can get them any little things like that. That's just kind of a backup if you don't want to buy a scarf or gloves. Just buy them a nice blanket or a nice throw or a nice warm bed sheet, something like that. That's a real nice gift because you know the person is gonna use it. Yeah, they're gonna use it once a year, but guess what? 6 months out of the year, so they're gonna use it every 6 months. They're gonna use it and they'll love it and they'll appreciate it, because you can never really have too many bed clothes or too many comforters. You have this one throw that you keep on your couch, but sometimes you have people come over and they want a little throw because they're a little cold, so you can never have too many throws. So a throw is a really good one. Scarf and gloves, and I just added the throw or the blanket or whatever. Number 4 on my list is jewelry, and I have here a nice little necklace. It don't have to be a necklace, but jewelry, especially if you're buying gifts for females love jewelry, so jewelry is always a great idea. If you're buying for male, maybe it's like watch, or if there's a chain or something that you know they like, but female always love jewelry. A nice watch, a nice chain, a nice bracelet, even a nice ring. But I know for bracelet, necklace and watch. Great jewelry for a female and a male too, but like I said, for a male I'd probably just go for a watch instead of the necklace and the bracelet. I'll just probably go for a watch, but jewelry is always a good choice. Fifth and last gift idea, I wanted to say gift cards. And gift cards is for the person who totally hate buying gifts. The people that just love it to run into the store and run out, those will probably do better giving a gift card. And you can get a gift card of any type. So if you're trying to buy a gift for a friend and you know they love to eat at a certain place, my favorite place is Olive Garden, and I love eating at Buffalo Wild Wings, because then I just order some mango habanero wings and that's my favorite. So if you know that the person like to eat at a certain place, you can just grab a gift card, and most time in the front of the stores they have gift card. You can just grab a gift card so you can gift to them, add it to a stocking stuff, wrap it in a box. Sometimes they have like a little box that they put gift cards in and they just wrap it and you just put a little thing on it, and there goes the gift for the people who hate shopping, because more than likely you'll have to shop for a gift. You don't want to just run go get a person something. Like for example, you're just gonna run in the store and say, oh, I'm gonna get my mama gloves, and you just pick up a glove. Now you want to look and you want to say, oh well, she's a medium or she's a large or so and so. So a gift card is always good for the people who hate buying gifts. Again I say, but it don't have to be like a food gift card. I mentioned restaurants before, but they have stores gift card like Macy's, JCPenney's, you know, a lot of different stores have gift cards. So if you know that the person prefers a special brand or a certain brand, you can always go ahead and just get them a gift card of that certain brand that they prefer. Even online you can get a gift card. I know Nike and Adidas and them have gift cards. So gift card is always a good option if you don't know what to get a person. And most of the time gift card is probably a little cheaper, because you can get a $25 gift card, even though the $25 won't be able to buy a person a full suit of clothes. It can add to something, they can make it up. People love discounts, so they'll see the gift card as a discount. For example, I go in the store, I go in say Macy's and I spend $100. If you gave me a $50 gift card, out of my pocket I'm only spending $50. So gift card is always a great idea. And for bonus, I wanted to throw some more gift ideas in there. I don't want to do more than 5 gift ideas because I didn't want this video too long. I did want to throw some bonus in there. So for bonus, it could be electronic. So you could get a person a phone if you know they want a phone, a nice camera, a headphone. Depending on what and how much you decide to spend, you can always get a person electronic. Candles, you can always get a person candle. If it's a person that like candle, you can get. Another bonus is like wine. If the person like wine, you can always get them new wine to try. It don't have to be the wine that they usually drink or the wine that they love. You can say, open, you can say, hey, I know you like wine, so I got you this bottle. I don't know if you ever tried it. It's a pretty good wine. I heard about it. I just wanted you to try this. So you can get them a case of wine. Or yeah, I know they have wine subscription where you get a case of wine every month. If it's a child, you can get them a game, whatever game they like playing, you can get them. All else fail, you can buy some stocks for somebody. You can spend $10 or $15 or $20 and buy some Amazon stock. If you know how to buy some Apple stock, you never know, they can make money on it. But do your research on how to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed these gift ideas, and remember, if you don't have gifts to give this holiday, don't feel bad. You can always go somewhere and volunteer. You can always give gift later. You can volunteer on Christmas Day or the day before Christmas at a soup shop, at your church or something. And if you're not able to do any of that, just whisper a word of prayer for somebody. Christmas is not all about giving. A lot of people think Christmas is about giving and receiving, but no, just enjoy the love around you, just enjoy your family. And I hope as the Christmas season go by, you guys get into the festive season and you guys get to spend time with your family and friends. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.